This video was brought to you by PDFelement for Windows. PDFelement is an excellent tool for all your PDFs. You can download, install it, and manage all your PDFs, edit them, annotate over them with their powerful tools. And editing over PDFs is such a hard task to do, but PDFelement makes it so easy. And it's a very good alternative to Adobe Acrobat for like a fraction of the price. So yeah, go ahead, download and install PDFelement Pro for Windows. All the links will be down below in the description. Hey, what's up guys, this is KDCloudy, and Apple recently announced the HomePod mini, and the biggest headlining feature with that is the new handoff feature. And with the handoff feature, basically what you do is that if your phone is playing some music, you just tap your speaker and instantly it just shifts your audio to your speaker, to your HomePod basically. And that's pretty cool, and it's right now exclusive to iPhones and HomePods and Apple Music, which is kind of a bummer. So all of Spotify users, all of Google Home users, everybody, even Alexa, Amazon Echo users are kind of getting a FOMO, and it's pretty real. Now what if I told you that you could get this feature as well, regardless if whether you're a Google Home user or an Amazon Echo user or any Bluetooth speaker for that matter? Like, that would be something, right? And that's exactly what we are about to show you in this video. And for that, we'll be using these. These are NFC tags. These are small stickers or like tags which you can get off of Amazon for pretty cheap, like $5 or 300 Indian rupees. And essentially they have like a microchip inside them, and your phone can communicate with this microchip by just touching it, given your phone has NFC capabilities. And yeah, we're going to use just that, and we're going to trigger a connection between your Bluetooth speaker and your smartphone every time you touch one of these speakers. Now I just want to say that this is a workaround. This is an unofficial way of triggering and getting this feature, and you know, at the initial stages you might need to get used to of just where to tap and place your phone at that exact spot to trigger a connection. Secondly, these stickers, these cheap stickers, are ugly. These don't really look that good, and I certainly would not want to place one of these on a premium expensive speaker. So what I did was very professionally, very surgically took a pair of tweezers and just lifted off that NFC chip. And you know what I did was put it back on the back of an Apple sticker which came with my iPhone 12 and put it on my Google Home. Yeah, it hides it. It's right on the top, and now it's an Apple edition Google Home or a Google HomePod. Now I also could have used my OnePlus 8 Pro stickers, which I never gave back. You can also do something like that, but yeah, that was the cosmetic workaround, the cosmetic solution for hiding these NFC tags. But yeah, enough chit chat. Let's actually get to how you can trigger this connection, how you can do it. And there are separate ways of doing it on iPhone and Android. I start with the iPhone first, then do Android. If you're an Android user, you can skip to this portion of the video. And yeah, let's get started. Now if you have an iPhone, the first thing you need to do is make sure you're connected to your Bluetooth speaker first. And once you're done, you need to go to the Shortcuts app, which is built in, head to the automation tab down below, create a new automation, and scroll down to the item which says scan an NFC tag. Touch that and just scan a tag, and that's your trigger. Name the tag, and then for actions, just search for select playback destination. And once you're done with that, change it from iPhone to your Bluetooth speaker, which in my case is KD's Google Home. Very clever. And if it doesn't show up, just make sure you're connected to your speaker through Bluetooth, and during this process it'll show up here. And yeah, then just finish up the settings, uncheck the ask before running toggle, and then you should be golden. It's as easy as that. Now for Android, you need to make sure that you're connected to your Bluetooth speaker, and secondly, you need to download an app called NFC Tools from the Play Store. It's a little clunky in terms of the UI, but it'll do the job. You go to the right option, you select add a record, and you scroll. There's an option for establishing a new Bluetooth connection, and that's where you need to enter your device's MAC address. And to find out the exact MAC address of your Bluetooth device, you need to go to your Bluetooth settings, and down below it should just say what your device's MAC address is. And this is how it looks like for Oxygen OS. You just need to enter it manually. You can't copy it, just enter it accurately without making a mistake, and then you should be fine. And once you have added a record, just write it to the NFC tag, and yeah, boom, that's it. So yeah, that's actually it. That's basically all there is to it. And fun fact, you can have both the shortcut and the Android record thingy at the same time, because the Android one is getting written on the memory while the iOS shortcuts is not. And theoretically, since you're writing it on the NFC tag to connect to this particular MAC address, it should work with all Android phones, but the shortcut one should only work with one iPhone, like every programmed iPhone. So yeah, it's stuff like that. And if you don't want to spend on NFC tags, iPhones, if you have an iPhone, they can recognize RFID as well. So you can use your credit cards, debit cards, or your university ID, place it near your speaker, I guess, or even peel off that FASTag RFID sticker from your car's windshield. So yeah, that's something. Also, this is just a workaround. Like I said previously, you're just establishing a Bluetooth connection between your speaker and your phone. You're not actually actively telling Google Assistant or Alexa to play this particular song. So yeah, it could be a little disappointing if you were expecting things differently, but it's just Bluetooth. But in my opinion, it's pretty fast. It gets its job done, and you can pretty much route any kind of audio through your phone to your speaker. And I think it's pretty good that way. And it's certainly better than the compatibility on the HomePod, where it just supports Apple Music and Pandora. So I think this is a pretty solid workaround altogether. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do the needful if you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, all that. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.